If you want your entire team to stay aligned, updated, and confident about project progress, then sharing your Jira dashboard the right way is crucial. And in this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable method to share your dashboard with anyone, your team, stakeholders, or external collaborators. Let's make your workflow smoother than ever. Before anything else, make sure you're on your Jira homepage. From there, go to the Your Work section. This is your personalized workspace where Jira pulls everything relevant to you: recent issues, dashboards, and shortcuts. Being on this page ensures you're logged in and ready to access the right project instantly. Next, choose the specific project that contains the dashboard you want to share. Think of each Jira project as its own container that holds all dashboards, boards, reports, and tasks. Selecting the correct project helps you quickly locate the dashboard without searching all over your workspace. Once you're inside the project, open the exact dashboard you want to share. On the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll usually see a share icon. This could look like an arrow or a share symbol depending on your Jira layout. Click that, and it will open up all the sharing options available to you. Now, you'll see a field where you can type the name, group, or email address of the people you want to share the dashboard with. You can send it to a single teammate, multiple individuals, or even entire teams if you want broader visibility. Jira will auto-suggest users as you type, making the process quick and mistake-free. You'll also have the option to add a custom message. This is perfect if you want to give context, like explaining what the dashboard tracks, asking someone to review updates, or notifying stakeholders about the latest metrics. Once you're done customizing your message, simply hit share and your dashboard is instantly sent to the selected recipients. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Jira dashboard in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.